Want to supercharge your Laravel app's performance? You're in the right place. Let's dive into 5 quick and powerful tricks that will make your Laravel app lightning fast. Ready to boost your app's speed? Let's get started. Here are 5 quick tips that can make a significant difference in your app's performance. These tips are easy to implement and can provide immediate results. So let's dive in and see how you can boost your Laravel app's performance in no time. To boost performance in seconds. The first tip is all about root caching. Root caching is a simple yet effective way to speed up your Laravel application. By caching your roots, you can reduce the time it takes for your app to respond to requests. This is especially useful for applications with a large number of roots. Tip 1. Use root caching. Run the command to cache your roots. This will compile all of your roots into a single file, which can be loaded much faster than parsing the roots from scratch on each request. This simple command can make a noticeable difference in your app's performance. And watch those load times drop. You'll be amazed at how much faster your app responds to requests. Root caching is a must for any Laravel application that needs to handle a high volume of traffic. Tip 2. Optimize your database queries. Use Eloquent's method to retrieve only the data you need. By default, Eloquent retrieves all columns from the database, which can be inefficient if you only need a few columns. Using the method allows you to specify which columns you want to retrieve, reducing the amount of data transferred and improving performance, or use query scopes to encapsulate common query logic. Query scopes allow you to define reusable query logic that can be applied to your Eloquent queries. This can help you keep your code clean and improve performance by reducing the complexity of your queries. To retrieve only the data you need. By optimizing your database queries, you can significantly reduce the load on your database and improve the overall performance of your application. Tip 3. Leverage config caching with the command. This command will cache your configuration files, allowing Laravel to load them much faster. Configuration caching is especially useful for applications with a large number of configuration files or complex configuration settings. For faster app performance, by caching your configuration files, you can reduce the time it takes for your app to boot up and respond to requests. This can make a big difference in the overall performance of your application. Tip 4. Index your database tables to speed up search and retrieval. Indexing is a powerful technique that can significantly improve the performance of your database queries. By creating indexes on the columns that you frequently search or filter by, you can reduce the time it takes to retrieve data from the database. To speed up search and retrieval, indexing can be especially beneficial for large tables with millions of rows. By creating the right indexes, you can make your database queries run much faster and improve the overall performance of your application. It's a simple fix for massive gains. Indexing is one of the most effective ways to optimize your database and improve the performance of your Laravel application. Don't overlook this powerful technique. Tip 5. Avoid the N+1 query problem by eager loading relationships with Eloquent's method. The N+1 query problem occurs when your application makes multiple database queries to retrieve related data, which can be very inefficient. By using the method, you can tell Eloquent to load the related data in a single query, reducing the number of queries and improving performance. This is especially important for applications with complex relationships and large datasets. Boost your Laravel performance now with these tricks. By implementing these 5 tips, you can significantly improve the performance of your Laravel application. These tips are easy to implement and can provide immediate results. Try them out and watch your app soar. With these simple yet effective techniques, you can take your Laravel app to the next level. Don't wait, start optimizing your app today and enjoy the benefits of a faster, more efficient application.